Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova Y61 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and scroll down to the very bottom in order to find system and updates. Now let's tap on language and input. It should be on the third position, and tap on language and region. And as you can see, here we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got, of course, only English, so let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the... that was a misclick actually. Let's tap on add a language again. And here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. Some of them are currently kind of saved in the device, and some of them are not. They need the update. So if your language will need it, just tap on update and everything will be fine. Find your language and simply tap on it. So I will pick Portuguese, and as you can see after tapping, oh my god. Okay, let me pick, I don't know, maybe German. Just tap on it. Alright, so after tapping on the language you want to set, your device will ask you if you really want to set this language as a default one. So of course you can tap on change, but if you will accidentally tap on cancel and you will stick with the language you had currently and previously set, you can always tap on edit. And as you can see, the English is at the very top. So we have to tap on it, hold it, tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. Because always, when the language is on the first position, it will be always applied. Remember to tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the language has been changed immediately. Right now it is German. And let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it, drag it to the first position, and tap on the tick icon. And the same situation, we've got English. If you want to remove the languages from this list, the same situation, tap on edit and simply tap on this X button right next to the language you'd like to remove. Confirm it, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Huawei Nova Y61. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.